All right, so this is the equipment that you're going to get when you buy the Landi and A30 credit card system. This is your Landi that has your employee screen, and then you also have your front-facing screen for your customer on this side. And this is what we call the A30, or the credit card terminal. So this is how you're going to tap and swipe and then insert on this. What we're going to do is show you how to hook all this equipment together and get you ready for setup. You're going to get a power cord that looks like this. This is for your Landi. So what we do is we just plug this guy into your local power strip, wherever that is. It only has one place on the back of the Landi for power, so you can sort of tilt it up a little bit. The power goes in right there. And you'll know that if you have power, because then you have a little light right here. Then when you hold it for about 2 or 3 seconds, it turns blue. Then this turns your Landi on and it's powering up. So this guy is pretty much ready except to attach to your Wi-Fi or your internet. Now we're going to hook up your A30. You're going to receive these 3 pieces of equipment to power this up. You have a 10-foot USB to USB-C. You have a USB power block, and then you have a little 4-foot USB to USB-C cable. So if this is going to be really close to your power, I would use this one. Otherwise, use these 2 pieces right here. So for this demonstration, we're just going to go ahead and use this because everything is really close. Just like that. And then plug this into your local power strip. What you'll need to do is flip over your A30, and you'll notice the USB-C is at the very end down here. And you'll see a little power light come on, and then the A30 will start to boot up. When you receive it, it should come up into this screen. So if it does come up to this screen, if it's in dedicated mode, you would just swipe here to see if it's in dedicated mode. If it is, you'll see just that little tiny triangle. And to attach it to your Wi-Fi, what we'll have to do is, we call this the 4 corners. You tap just anywhere and you can see the little shadow. The password is always the full day's date, 05292026. Press that green button. Then we're going to go to system settings. We're going to swipe all the way up, and this is where it's toggled onto dedicated mode. Just turn that off. Then you can just press the little circle, and this gets you down to your main screen. Then you would press settings. The password for this is always going to be the same. It is PAX9876 and then 2 @ symbols. Done. And that gets you into your settings. And here's where you would connect it to your Wi-Fi. What you would do is press that, press here, and it's going to search for your Wi-Fi. It's already connected, but you would just press that, and it's going to ask you for your password. And once it's connected, you can just back out of it. Just get out of everything here, and then go ahead and start your TSYS app. This little blue and white one. And this is now set up, ready to take payments. Now when we go to the Landi, it should be in this screen when you get it. You'd press this settings button, press your network and internet, press the Wi-Fi button up here. It should search for different Wi-Fis like it is here. You would choose yours. Once you choose yours, unfortunately ours is already chosen, so you don't have to really worry about it. But it'll say connected like this, and when it is connected, you can just back out of that, or down here you can actually do these settings and get out of everything like that. But then this is ready now fully to take payments between these 2 pieces of equipment.